Yummy. So delicious. I am sharing. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Let's start with a delicious tub of strawberries. Let's take off the green parts of the strawberries. Next, we're going to cut the strawberries into small pieces. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, which is needed for collagen synthesis. Strawberries have the cancer-fighting ellagic acid along with calcium, potassium, and magnesium. We want the strawberry pieces to be more on the smaller side. Now we're going to use half a stick of butter. We're going to also add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Go ahead and use a little heat to melt the butter. Add some dark chocolate pieces to the hot melted butter. The chocolate pieces is almost melted. Now we're going to add some organic cacao powder. Keep stirring the cacao powder slowly in the mixture. Cacao powder has antioxidants, improves brain function, is heart healthy. It also improves mood, circulation, helps with the skin, and also gut health. This dessert is so quick and easy to make. This is the consistency you want. Nice and smooth. Now let's add a little dash of monk fruit sweetener. We're gonna use some organic plain yogurt. We're also gonna use some parchment paper. Put some yogurt on the parchment paper, but make sure it's a little bit frozen or a thick consistency yogurt. We all know that yogurt put more of the good bacteria in your gut and is good for digestion in general. Put some strawberry pieces in the center of the yogurt circle. My yogurt was still a little bit runny, so I'm gonna put it in a container instead. I transfer the yogurt and strawberry pieces into small containers and place it in the freezer until it solidifies. After you remove it from the freezer, put it in a bowl of water for about 1 minute so it releases easily. Add the frozen yogurt to the melted chocolate. Coat it all over with a cacao chocolate mixture. Remove it from the chocolate mixture and add walnut pieces. Walnuts are great for brain health. They contain the highest omega-3 of all the nuts. So let's add the other frozen yogurt to the chocolate. Cover it all over with the melted chocolate mixture. Next, transfer it to a small bowl. Now top it off with some walnut pieces as we did before. Too healthy and delicious dessert. Now let's dig in. So tasty and bursting with flavor. You have to try this tasty and delicious dessert. Look at the cross section with all the beautiful and amazing ingredients. I also created a free natural and holistic health guide to help you to improve your health. And for more healthy recipes like these, please check out my book and my natural and holistic health course. The link is in the description. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.